Hi guys, welcome back on Tech Aid. We are providing you practical solutions to your problems, whether it's a simple hack or a step-by-step guide. We have got you covered. In this video, I will gonna show you that how to turn off shuffle on Spotify. First of all, you can open the Spotify application. I can already open the app. After opening the app, you can now just simply play the song, and after playing the song, you can now see the option now playing bar. You can now tap on it, and after this you can now just simply tap on shuffle at the screen, and after tapping on the two cross icons, that is shuffle option, the shuffle is turned off on Spotify. And it is the way you can turn off shuffle on Spotify app. And if you have a free user on Spotify, you cannot turn off shuffle automatically. You only have to turn off the shuffle if you have a premium account on Spotify. And it is the way you can turn off shuffle on Spotify account. If you want to keep your online activity private and access to restricted contents like I do, trying using a VPN. It's secure, easy to use, and makes a browsing safer. The link to buy is in the description below. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more practical solutions. Got questions or need extra help, drop a comment below and we will be happy to assist. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.